your notes. Create a rectangle to fit the size of the vinyl opening. Draw a line with a black pen over the pencil line you sketched. Hurry up! Subscribe and like your Lappin' friends. Let's draw some cute Sprunki friends. Draw some cute underwater friends too. Want me to draw you an underwater villainous friend? I'm going to have fun coloring. Yes! Hurry up! Ding, ding, ding. I'll cut it all off with my scissors. I'll draw seaweed and coral on a clear plastic bag. Oh! Don't forget to subscribe and like if you enjoyed it. We made a spunky aquarium. I'll be back with more fun crafts next time.
Owen, when you get home, wash up first. Owen, hurry up.
It's Owen's shower time. I'm going to help him get in the shower a little bit. Water temperature just right. Shall we take a bubble bath? Bubbles are always fun. Slay! This is Owen's water friend, Duck. Ta-da! I'm gonna clean every nook and cranny today. Clean face. Clean body. My body is clean. Now let me lather you up one more time with body shampoo. Oops, sorry. Wow, that's a lot of bubbles. Too many bubbles, and Owen Mom might yell at me. I'll wash the bubbles off with water now. Wow, it's perfect. End of bath. Owen didn't wipe his hands dry. I'll help him get them dry. So cute. Now I'm going to dry Owen's hair. Make sure it's dry so he doesn't catch a cold. Ta-da! Don't forget to subscribe and like if you enjoyed it. I prepared a cream to moisturize Owen's skin. Oh, look! Owen looks so clean and feels so good, doesn't he? Showering is a fun and enjoyable time.